Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to another act in a long time art think of art video. I can't even think of what I used to call it. Well, I'm finally back on YouTube and I'm super excited. I got a lot of things I've been working on and I cannot wait to show you guys. So this is gonna be a big project that I'm super excited that hopefully you guys will love and will get something out of it or anything like that. So this is gonna be called Think of Art Chronicles. What is Think of Art Chronicles? Well, it's gonna be sort of like my journey, my personal journey, how I became an artist and how it's going, pretty much. So it's always gonna be kind of be updating in a way, you know. And I am super excited to share where all these different things gonna be happening, and it's gonna be a awesome project, and I'm gonna be working on this. So why am I doing this video right now and not just starting with the first episode? Well, because I want to give you guys an introduction and also why I kind of stopped making YouTube videos. And pretty much why I stopped making YouTube videos is because I didn't like the direction I was going. I did not like me just doing kind of like just speed running a drawing and just talking over it, just explain what I'm doing in drawing here and there, stuff like that, and just put it out. I wasn't happy with that. I wasn't really happy as a content creator. I wasn't like feeling accomplished or feeling satisfaction of me creating a video or anything like that. It was just nah. I didn't like it. So I decided that I promised myself that I'll come back when I'm ready and what I thought of a new idea of certain videos, of series of videos that could start my pretty much my content journey. And the reason I'm saying that is because for the longest time, I've been doing Twitch about 4 years. I'm doing like this. What? I've been doing Twitch for 4 years, and I just really was focused on just being an artist and not anything else. I was like 80% artist, 20% content, and I'm not saying I fully figured it out, but I feel like I'm way better than I was 4 years ago, and hope you guys will notice, and you guys will see that within this Art Chronicles. So these are the topics that I will be talking about in my Think of Art Chronicles, and some of these topics are gonna, of course, be expanded and explained more. So I'm just gonna give the titles of them and just give you guys a little bit teaser of what's to come of these set of videos. So the first one is gonna be finding your art style. And I'm gonna relate to that with how I found my own art style and how I'm keep developing my art style. The other ones will be from taking art risks, trying new things, and not be afraid of that. Sometimes pushing yourself to finish an art piece is not a bad thing, as what other people say about being burnt out, and I'll explain more of that. Being discouraged, comparing myself to other artists, how I got into freelance, being told my art is bad in a critique way, which is good. How I found my ideas for art series, like for example, I did like a 5-piece vinyl series. I did like fighting scene series. I did like paletas, like ice cream series, and some mini posters or stuff like that. And I'll explain more of that, how I come up with those ideas. And then of course, one of my biggest ones that I'm super excited to talk about and finally talk about is character creation. And I'll be explaining how I create my own characters and how I start from beginning to end. And throughout all these videos, we'll be showcasing speed drawings of artwork that I'm currently working on and I'm doing within my stream on twitch.tv/JohnnyBoyG. And it's gonna be super dope. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. I'm super excited, and the first episode is pretty much, as you can see, why I left YouTube and pretty much the introduction of the Art Chronicles. So the teaser for the second episode will be finding my art style, and I cannot wait to show you guys that. My goal is to do 1 or 2 videos a month and give you guys better quality and more way of explaining, and it's not uttering my words a lot like I do on Twitch, since I stream like 4 or 5 hours. So it's kind of like I just think on top of my head. At least like with this, I could like stop, retake it, stop, retake it, and stuff like that. So I could say a lot of things a lot better, and and not even kind of like sort of be like a robot. 'Cause after 4 or 5 hours, man, I'm tired. You know what I mean? So yeah, hope you guys hit the like, subscribe, and I will love to hear your own opinions, your own journeys throughout all this of how you got into art. What do you want to know, and what are your opinions about my opinions of all these different topics? And don't be afraid to disagree. Everybody has different opinions. We could all just come to the middle and find an understanding at the end of the day, right? All right, guys, see you guys next time. See you guys on the next video. Much love. Peace out.